Minister's three-city tour today, where he's visited the Zydus Biotech Park in Ahmedabad, in Hyderabad, and also the Serum Institute in Pune, taking stock of the situation as far as the development of three various vaccines in India are concerned. The Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad was also reviewed on the progress of their vaccine candidate Covaxin before the final stop, of course, in Pune, which is working on Covishield. We're also joined by certain guests. Dr. Anil Bhoraskar will be with us in just a bit. He's a diabetic specialist. Also, Jaleel Parkar, pulmonologist, is joining us on the show. So, Dr. Jaleel, first up, there are some, clarifications that the ordinary public has been looking in as far as vaccines for COVID-19 are concerned. Several of them are reporting efficacy of 90 to 95%. How do you read the progress that not just the Indian, institutes have made, but globally when it comes to the fight against COVID-19?
Let's take us some few examples across the world. We have what is called as, vaccines for influenza, for pneumococcal vaccine, etc. Now, even if their efficacy is low, yet it is being taken by people at large, whoever it might be. So, if we are talking of an efficacy which is around 95% or maybe 90%, how does it matter? It is going to help all the people at large, whichever country they are in, and especially in India because we are quite overpopulated. With this vaccine, what will happen is that our hospitalization rate will be reduced, the criticality rate will not be there, the senior citizens, the frontline warriors, the public health workers, the police force, you name it, and everybody is going to be quite well protected. Well, there might not be an efficacy of 100% which you are talking about. Even the BCG vaccine that you are giving, it is 99%. So I am more than very happy that we are going to be the pioneers in having this vaccine. And I would be very proud if we are the first ones to release this to the people of our country. And maybe if we have access, we can also give it to the population abroad. So I think it's a wonderful idea, and I think that blame game of the government should not be there. I think the central government and the governments on state are doing a wonderful job trying to control the COVID-19 epidemic. And right now, if you ask me, I think everybody is tired and fatigued.
Yes. Dr. Jaleel, I also wanted to ask you that would it be better for India and the Indian population to rely on the vaccines that are being tested on Indians? Or even if they are not tested on Indians, Indians will be able to benefit equally from some of the other foreign-made vaccines? Is there a difference that can happen?
See, I think you have to understand one thing. Whichever country it might be, whichever company it might be, nobody is going to risk the population at large by not doing a methodological trials of the vaccine in the proper stages that it is meant to be, and then release it in the market. So that, frenzy that people have in their mind, I think that is very wrong. And I don't think you think our Prime Minister is that big a fool that he'll allow that to happen? You think our Chief Minister is going to allow that to happen?
What I was trying to understand is
our doctors
that is a vaccine tested on a certain population better for that population, or even some of the foreign tested vaccinations will be equally good for Indian population, for example?
Where it could be even the Western vaccination, it could be for the Indian population. Why not? Because I think the basic understanding of preparing a vaccine is international, and it is across the board. The protocols are well maintained by everybody. So it's not, one thing is there that if you are talking about because of race, if there is a difference in the efficacy of the population, that could be questionable, but I don't. That could be questionable to an extent, but I don't think that it is not going to be effective at all. No, I'm sorry. I don't agree to that, and I don't take that info or a rumor or whatever it is for granted. I don't think it is that.
No, it is. No, it is not a rumor at all. Just for better understanding.
Etc.
Yes, just for better understanding, if any vaccine produced anywhere in the world is equally effective for any race, any population, because, you know, we've been hearing about some mutations happening in some country, or some people or some populations being better equipped to handle some viruses than other populations. So I was just asking you from that point of view. But Dr. Jaleel, do stay with us. Let's just recap a little bit of what happened earlier when the Prime Minister was in Ahmedabad, to visit the Zydus Cadila pharmaceutical plant to take account of the COVID vaccine, which is the Zycov D progress. First up, let's listen in.